Good evening, students. This is your Rajesh sir, and today I want to show another activity from the same lesson, acids and bases. But today our topic is neutralization. What is the meaning of neutralization? When acids and bases are mixed in equal concentrations, a neutral solution is formed. A neutral solution means it's not an acid and it's not a base. Sometimes a salt is formed, but here one point, all the neutral solution is not salt. Sometimes salts are formed, sometimes other products are formed. So here let me tell you, if we take 5 ml of acid and mixed with 5 ml of base, a neutral solution is formed. That neutral solution is neither acid nor base. So as acid I selected lemon because lemon contains citric acid. So it is naturally available. And base is sodium hydroxide. It is present in detergent soap. So when equal amount of acid mixed with equal amount of base, a neutral solution is formed. This is our activity today. And to test this, whether a neutral solution is formed or not, I selected the same indicator, turmeric paper. So the final concept is acids are neutralized by bases and bases are neutralized by acids, but here the one condition, concentrations must be equal. It is not depending upon the quantity of the acid or base, but it depends upon the concentration. So let us take, this is the lemon and this is lemon water. Okay, lemon juice. So we can use it as acid. And the next one is base. This is the sodium hydroxide. Dissolve a small piece of detergent cake in sufficient amount of water to prepare base. So acid is ready, base is ready, and indicator is also ready. Let us do our activity. Take the turmeric paper and dip in acid and base. I am dipping the turmeric paper in acid. Let us see whether this color is changing or not. No change is observed. That means turmeric never changes in acidic condition. Now let us try with another turmeric paper in base. All of you observe carefully. Right. This turmeric paper is turned to red color. That means in basic condition turmeric changes to red color. So it is normal process. But for our today activity we have to do one more thing. If we dip the same red color paper in acidic condition, it come back to its original color. That means it must change to yellow color, and this process is called neutralization. That is our activity today. All of you observe. This base is neutralized by acid. Let us see this. It come back to original color. So there is no red color. That means acid is neutralized by base and base is also neutralized by acid, but the concentrations must be equal. For today activity, I selected acid citric acid from lemon and base sodium hydroxide from detergent. And you to try with different acids just like orange, amla, grape, and different citrus fruits are available. And for base you can use aloe vera, washing soda, baking soda, and bathing soap also. And you try with your own activity. Thank you.